Hello everyone, I hope y'all having a great day. Today I have my November Splendies. Already looking at that. What the tissue paper looks like this month. First pair I am pulling out are these. Very cute. Has little dogs with Santa hats on them, and from Splendies also. Very soft. Next is the thong. This is what it looks like. Cute snowflakes and then lace. And this one is also from Splendies. And then the last pair are these. Animal print, which I'm not that into animal print, but they're cute and they're soft, so I'm pretty sure it'll be comfortable. So that's all I have for you. I hope y'all have a great day.